Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to connect a domain name to Weebly in 2023. So just before I do so, there's a link in the description for this video that will take you straight to a free trial version of Weebly, which will allow you to utilize it for completely free so you can give it a go for yourself and see what it's all about. So if you've got a website that you've already created, it actually prompts you to connect a custom URL the first time that you create your website and launch the editor. If you haven't got a custom URL connected to your site, it usually prompts me every time I open the site as well. However, if you can't find it for whatever reason, go to settings here at the top of the menu, and then here under the site address, which is the first option that appears, hit change there. So you can choose to kind of go through the process of purchasing through this little wizard. However, I'm going to presume that you've got a domain name already purchased in an external provider. Now, we've got tutorials specific to each of those providers on the channel. This is just a very quick overview of how you go about it. So, I'm just going to type in something very random for now. And once you've correctly entered a formatted URL, at least, you can connect your domain via that little option down there then. What you'd usually do is then make the DNS changes yourself, and then it takes you through this process then, step by step, of going to your domain name provider's website, accessing the DNS records, and then adding these two new records to your DNS settings. So there's a step-by-step guide there, which should work for you. And there's also a guide for each one of those, mainstream domain name providers. So whichever one you've got, you've pretty much got it catered for there. And like I said, we've got specific ones for each domain name provider on the channel, most of the big ones anyway. And yeah, it's as simple as that. So you just, follow this kind of procedure. It's very simple. Shouldn't take you more than a few minutes. And then within 48 hours of effecting those changes, you hit done. Within 48 hours, that would then be connected to your website. Okay, and that concludes the tutorial. So like I said, if you've got any questions or any suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. There's a link in the description for this video to a trial version of Weebly, so give that a click if you want to give that a go for absolutely free. And if you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you very much.